Hello, welcome back into the schematic word channel. The topic of this video, how we can download the Code Composer Studio. So let's start this video and I'll show you how we can do it. So first of all, you need to be open this web page, link in the description, so you can directly open that web page through the link. Scroll down and into the download portion, you see this one, CC Studio Code Composer Studio Integrated Development Environment IDE. So there are the two button, launch and download option. Click on the download option, and now here are the three different options for the three different operating system. So in my case, I am using a Windows, then I click on this window. If you have Linux, then click on here, and for Mac, this one, and other installation step is same. So click on this window. In that way your file is downloaded, and now I show you how we can install it. So for starting the installation, first of all, you need to be extracted here. It takes some time, and then this file is extracted completely. Now when this file is completely extracted, click on it, again click on it, and run this application file here. Now the Code Composer Studio, means CC Studio, is open. Click on next here, accept the agreement, click on next, and again click on next. They ask for installation directly. If you want to be changed, then change it here, and then click on next and click on next, and then again click on next. Now installation is starting and it takes some time, and after that installation is complete, and I show you how we can run that compiler. Now installation is complete, and click on finish button. Now I will show you how we can run it. So right click on it and run as administrator here. Okay, now in that way you can run the CC Studio. So I hope so you understand how we can download and install and then run the CC Studio in 2026. So please like, subscribe and share this video with your friends. I see you the next time. Bye bye.